Hi everyone, I'm Henry from TYCORUN. Ever wonder how we connect battery to the cabinet? Let's talk about two ways, hard connection and soft connection.
Hard connection means the battery's bottom ports directly plug into fixed ports inside the cabinet. It's simple and fast, but when placed on the ground, these bottom ports can get scratched or dirty. Over time, this may lead to poor contact and charging issues. Now, soft connection. Here, a flexible cable inside the cabinet connects to the battery's top ports. The battery simply rests in place. This protects the critical connectors from wear and dirt, ensuring a stable and reliable connection every time. It's designed for long-term durability.
While hard connection offers convenience, we strongly recommend soft connection for its reliability and protection. Because in our business, stable performance always comes first. Thanks for watching.